See, I know you are missing me, but I don't have any other thing to do right now. I need to go and meet my boss. Eh?
So me, I'm not important.
You are now. Have I said so? I didn't say something like that now.
I miss you.
I will miss you too.
When are you coming back?
I don't know yet, but I will not take long. At least 2 to 3 days is fine.
You promise?
Yeah, I promise.
Yeah.
I missed you.
I miss you. Let's start going. Start going.
See, just take good care of yourself, huh?
Okay,
I will be back. And I will call you immediately I get to office.
Okay, baby.
Let
me come to coming.
Yep, I will.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
I will. Bye. Why are you coming like this? What's the problem?
Oh, that is process before I come now.
I understand. I'll continue. Can you take me?
Close the door with your right hand.
That's so funny.
Walk up.
Oh, baby. I really miss you.
Okay, it's not around.
Okay.
I want you to give it to me. Pa.
What is that weekend now? Like he left not up to how many minutes? Just jumped up and.
But it's not here now. It's not here.
Okay.
I will remove everything.
But let's go inside. Don't do it here. Let's go inside. Take me inside. Take me inside, baby. Let's go.
We are the only one at home now.
Yeah, I know, but let's go inside. Just come.
Go inside.
Absolutely.
I'll make a carry you.
No, don't worry. Just come. I have new styles that I want to show you.
My ID card. Should be inside. Where do I keep this? Somewhere around.
coming. I'm coming. Who is there?
My love, I'm here.
Baby, I'm coming, okay?
Babe!
Yes, baby, I'm looking for the keys. I locked the door.
I'm waiting. My love.
Baby, I'm coming. I'm put your clothes on. Don't scatter my house. Why you scattering my house? What's the meaning of that one? Where did you keep it? Where did you pull it and keep? Where did you keep the clothes? Where did you? Hey, check it out. Go and check it. Go and check it out.
Haven't you seen the key?
Yeah. Baby, yes, I'm coming now, okay? I'm looking for the key. I think I got it on the TV. Why are you scattering my room? Why did you keep?
Who are you talking to?
Nobody, baby. Nobody.
Babe!
Oh, baby. Baby, yes, the keys. The keys. Why did you let? Your mission here. Why are you inside my house without a t-shirt on? Where's the uniform?
Madam.
I know. Can you imagine this boy? I just came in from the room to open the door for you, and I saw him without uniform. Where is his uniform?
Destiny, well done. How are you? What is the problem? Why are you here? Where is your uniform?
I got to clean the table, sir.
Without uniform?
Wait, my love, wait. When I came in, I met the gate open. So you left the gate open to come and clean table. When did you start cleaning my table?
Madam called me to come out.
But I did what? Me called you. I'm just coming out from the room, baby, and I'm surprised that I'm seeing him here cleaning the table without clothes. Where did you start cleaning my table? Without your uniform.
See, sit down now.
You know what? Come here. Come this side. I want to be seeing you. Come this side. Come.
Don't worry, sit
I
down.
will slap you. Pass here.
Where are you?
Pass here.
Where do you want to
Baby,
pass?
wait. Baby, don't worry. Leave it. Come this side. Come here. Now sit down.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tell us, what's your mission? I mean, why would you enter my sitting room without your uniform? Baby, you see what I've been telling you? I don't like this boy. I don't like this boy for any reason. I've been telling you from the onset, but you'll be arguing with me. Look at the kind of business you employed as a gate man. I told you I don't like him. Yes, now. I mean, since we married for 6 months, 6 months now I've been tolerating the idiots in this house. But I think I can't tolerate this anymore.
I don't like the way you are stressing yourself. You are raising your voice up.
Why won't I stress myself?
I don't
Why
like
would you
it.
enter inside this house?
Okay, fine. Calm down.
Nobody is outside. You're not supposed to remove your uniform.
It's true, Babo. I said, I start cleaning.
Shut up. Get out from.
Say what?
Sorry, sir.
You are not having any power to give him order in my house. Huh?
Baby, I'm your wife now. I mean, I can do anything I want.
So this same useless person,
Very useless person.
the same useless person was useful to you some minutes ago.
How? What work is he doing? How is he useful? Like, what use is he in this house? What is his use there?
My love, tell me the truth. What were you doing inside this house some minutes ago?
I mean, was what? Baby, that's not the problem. The problem here is that...
Listen to me. I want to be fair with you, I want to be friendly with you. Tell me the truth. What were you doing inside this house some minutes ago?
Maybe I went to take my bath. Now, that's why am I not on tour? When you were going, I wanted to take my bath. So you said that.
Destiny, where is your uniform?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Come this side. I will
Where are you dressing to? So now, if you want to run, I cannot catch you. No, start running now. You have power to run. No, let's run. Come here. Come closer. Come close. Where's your uniform? Where's your uniform?
Madam called me. No, Oga, please.
Where's your uniform?
Oga, please.
Where's your uniform?
Oga, wait.
As I'm asking you, you are giving me answers. Where is your uniform?
Madam called me to come and clean the table for her.
Yeah, baby, I think I remember.
Okay, as you were cleaning the table now, your uniform pull off.
I didn't know if you even came in with uniform.
Kneel down. I want to show you something. No, sit down.
Me too.
I'm not touching you. You see that hand that you are shaking? You see that hand that you are shaking? You see that hand that you are shaking? You are stupid.
Baby, don't worry, take it easy on him. Don't even try this nonsense.
Do you have any idea about this? So this is who you are. Perpetual. No. Let's discuss. Just tell me. Since I got married to you, what are you lacking? No, what have been your problem? Have I not been satisfying you? Why will you stoop so low to an extent of sleeping with my security guard, my case man? You are stupid. You should keep your mouth shut. I came in here. I saw everything before I went out. This useless idiot, the security uniform, he left everything here. I packed them, yes. They are in my custody. So you have looked around this eternity and now the only woman you could sleep with, the only woman you could sleep with is my wife.
Okay, it's not what you think. I can explain, sir, please.
If you need that explanation, I will want you to explain it. You want to explain it? That you left your security post to come and sleep with my wife. No, what do you want to explain?
Sir.
What do you want to explain?
Baby, let me. It's not the way.
No, hold on. Just hold on. Hold on a minute.
That's why might be an AI. Maybe it's not. I mean, you have a TV camera in this house. How did you get that such a video? Somebody is trying to frame me here. I guess you guys know something about it.
Someone is trying to frame you, and the person is also framing this uniform.
And
what is your uniform doing here?
What is your uniform doing here now?
Okay, I'm sorry. It's true, sir. Each time you are not around, madam, we come to come and do.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
To come and do
what? I call you to come and maybe help me with the house stress if it's too much for me.
Oh yeah, get up.
I call you to come and do
Get
what?
up. Face here. Then now, show me how you have been doing.
Okay, please, like each time you are not around, madam will come and do. I'll be doing my.
You are still knocking in my presence. You are still knocking. You are not done. Turn the yarns.
I'm sorry, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are this. Get out of my house. Get out. You are planning. Get out. Get out from this place. As you are going, pack everything that belongs to you. I will not punish you. I know where to keep people like you, but I will not punish you. You will suffer. You are just starting. Your suffering is just starting. Get out of my house. You will never meet a man like me in your entire life. I will not want to. I never wanted to touch you, but if you force me to touch you, I will touch you. Get out. Get out. 1. Okay, go. Oh yeah, out. Come on, go. Perpetual.
Yes,
What do you really want in life? No. This is the kind of life you want to live. Sleeping around with different men. Even when you are under another man's house, when you are under another man's roof, I paid your bride price. I did everything possible to make sure that you are fine. Have I not been trying my best? So why have you decided to do this to me? Why? Why?
I'm so sorry.
You are stupid. If you call that devil again, if you call that devil again, if you try it again, you see what I will do. You know what? You don't deserve anything better. You are a failure to your eternity. to this nature, to this world. You know what you do? Let us be friends. You will get up, go in there, arrange your things, and get out of this house. But if you want to see the other side of me, let me wait another 5 minutes and see you in this house. Get up. Get out! What do you people want? What do you really want? What do women really want?
I'm sorry.
And you have to sleep with my gate man. Because you said you have to sleep with my gate man. That was the only option you had, Abe.
No, baby, no, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I don't want to use my temper on you. Get out!